Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today, we will take a detailed look at the process of replacing the screen on your beloved iPhone 16 Pro. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect repair. So, let's begin this tutorial.
First, I carefully unscrewed the two screws on the phone. Next, I used a heat gun to gently warm the area around the screen to loosen the adhesive, which helped it detach more easily. Following the careful detachment of the screen, I proceeded to meticulously disconnect the thin black connectors that establish the connection between the display and the main body, including the vital links to the battery and other essential components. After separating the display, you'll need to carefully remove certain parts from the old screen, such as the black covering near the camera. You'll also need to transfer other components from the old display to the new one, such as the display controller chip for True Tone and Face ID, as well as the proximity and ambient light sensors.
Now I have a brand new screen, which is perfect for this iPhone and will ensure excellent quality.
Before applying the adhesive, I will carefully reconnect the screen to the body. Now I will turn on the iPhone and check if everything is working correctly. After confirming that the screen is functioning properly, I will carefully press the screen to secure it to the body with the adhesive. That's it. Thank you everyone for watching this video.